Hey you guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be playing with the Huda Beauty Electric Obsessions palette. There are 9 shades in this palette and they are absolutely stunning. Let's check out some swatches. The vibrancy of these pigments are just unbelievable, and they really end up showing up the same way on the eye, so you'll see that shortly. If you guys haven't subscribed already, you should do that. Do it. Do it! Let's just jump right into it. I started out by dipping into the orange shade in this palette and running that into my crease. I could not believe how neon the color was when I started doing this. Then I dipped into the magenta shade and just deepened that up a little bit. To continue with deepening the crease, I dipped into that dark reddish maroon shade and again ran that through my crease. Then I dipped into this darker turquoise shade and I ran that through my crease. I was surprised how it picked up a more of a purple tone, which means that it's just a sheer matte, which is really good. It doesn't add to like a muddying effect of the shadows. Then I picked up my fair Tarte Shape Tape because I wanted to keep the pigments very strong, so I used a lighter color and I just cut my crease. Then using my finger, I picked up the metallic purple shade and applied that to the outer portion of my lid. Then I went into this like sapphire metallic shade with my finger, which is, I think, by far the most beautiful shade in this palette, and applied that right to the center of my lid. I used a concealer brush to just clean up along the edges. Then dipping in with my finger again, I picked up that really beautiful teal shade and popped that on the inner corner of my lid. Then picking up a packing brush, I picked up yellow and just applied that to my inner corner. Moving to the lower lash line, I picked up that orange shade again and ran that along my lower lash line, really smoking out the bottom of the lashes. Then I went to that bright purple shade and ran that along my lower lash line. I would say that this shade and the magenta shade are very similar. Then picking up that teal shade again, I ran that very close to my lashes. I applied a wing with some magic, and then I applied the NYX Glitter Glue and topped that with Makeup Forever's Multicolored Silver Glitter, and I just ran that through my crease to kind of add some definition. Then I added a dot of the Space Panda from SUVA Beauty to my inner corner and covered that up with, again, the yellow color just to make it a little bit more bold. Then I applied some mascara and some lashes, and this was the finished look. I obviously went a little crazy with the liner. I added some under my eye too. But I think it's really pretty, very bold, definitely not an everyday look, but this palette doesn't scream everyday look to begin with, so yeah, I really like this. It's a very creative palette. I will definitely be using this a lot for my more fun looks. If you haven't subscribed already, please do, guys. Give this video a big thumbs up if you want to see more crazy tutorials like this, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!